Welcome to our WPRP video series, Would You Like Fries with That? I'm Josh Smith, and today we're going to be talking about rack protection. And one item in particular is the very own RamGuard. RamGuard is actually a unique piece of equipment. Why? Because it requires no tools for installation. And I'm about to show you just how easy this is to install. Come with me. So installing the RamGuard's is easy as simply 1, 2, 3. I recommend using a water-soluble product. It's going to make putting the friction fit on a lot easier. It is rubber, but it does pliable. In this case, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and get it started. And once you do, it's simply just use a little pressure, and there you go. Now you saw how easy the RamGuard is to install. I want to leave you with one more tip. The RamGuard is designed to accept a 3x3 column, 3x1 5/8, and a 3x2 1/2. If you like more information, be sure to follow us on Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. I'm Josh Smith, and that's your 60 seconds.